Got the car up. Got to get the wheel spacers on now. Keller Stevens is the man for letting us get this done today. He's got the tools, the knowledge, the power to get it done. Woo! Gotta get the battery. Got some Burger Motorsports 10mm spacers here. Really great product here. The lugs too. Shout out to you guys. Awesome, man. This is not like a sponsor video or anything. The man, the myth, the legend. Woo! Awesome, man. The next step is getting them on.
Super duper duper push.
So what we got there? Oh yeah, it looks so much better than that. Still think we got some, like you said though, we got some room. It's like pretty mint though right there. I don't know what you guys think. All right, so you guys watch me and Keller install a wheel spacer on the BMW, the E92, some Burger Motorsports, so some good quality product there. We got a 10mm spacer on the rear. We did one side in the video because on the other side of the garage was just a little too tight. So we just wanted to make one clean shot, and at least it's like kind of short, so it's in some nice content for you guys to watch. So 10mm spacers from Burger Motorsports, extended lug nuts installed. I've got more car content coming for you guys this summer. I've got to edit some videos. Let me know what you guys think. I've still got a little bit of a tire gap there that I want to fill. So we're gonna go with a 265 35 19 in the rear. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please subscribe, drop a like, comment. I've got a couple of videos I need to edit for Caffeine and Octane that I went to last Saturday. I need to put together a video of that and add some music so it's fun to show you guys. And then the Car Enthusiast Spring Into the Car Show 2. Went to a couple of car meets over the weekend, and I need to jam it up and edit some videos for you guys to watch. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, it means a lot to me, and drop a like and a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Thank you for watching. Tig out.